Where we at? We at the West Indies. Hey, you want the dollar? I get dollar for that bicycle, man. I got some change, but I get dollar for that bicycle.
Final destination.
You want two?
Westmoreland Station.
It's raining out there.
Next stop, St. Paul
You'll change your
Station.
mind. You'll see that then. I need you 50 cents then. Oh, buy me one. The Walmart. The big bag. They call it the big bag neighborhood. Everybody shopping at it. Night club.
Oh God.
That came out of nowhere.
Change.
How did he even know I was right?
Everybody got shade for a penny.
Huh?
Everybody got shade for a penny.
A penny?
A penny. You got shade for a penny?
Nah.
Well, I'm not going to Lord. I didn't do some. You get 100 pennies for if you change it, right?
For what?
Or is it $1?
Yeah.
It's $1, ain't it? 100 pennies for $1? My bad. That's on me.
How's it been?
When y'all get out of school?
What?
When y'all get out of school? Y'all got 3 more
Now
months?
arriving, St. Paul
I'm doing it day by day, man. I don't know.
I'm talking about what. I know I don't live it day by day, but there's an exit and an exit number. School year, I'm talking
You
about.
know what day we got? I don't know.
I know when I started school in September, I was supposed to graduate during spring. That's what I'm asking. Well, I'm college educated. That's what I'm asking you. A start date or end date.
I think we get on like June something.
That's what I asked you. Maybe some people feel like I'm stupid because you can't because I'm college educated. I'm 58 years old. I got street sense, I got spiritual sense, I got common sense.
Nah, we're good.
St. Paul Station.
St. Paul,
This is the
Great video.
red line. Final destination, Westmoreland Station. Next stop,
Hey, it's McDonald's. Oh, he put his palm out there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Right? I'm doing me, you do you. Whoever look at me, I'm doing me. I ain't touching nobody, don't touch me. The fourth and fifth amendment of the Constitution of America. So I said, what the fuck I want, say what I want to say. I can curse.
Like you said, we already have
and then they kill people.
I would hit him at the
So I'm
bottom, hit
looking
him
at
at
people,
the
I'm talking, I speak my mind. I'm 58, I don't live through all this shit. I ain't scared of shit. And I'm packing within the law limits. No weapon, no firearm. Packed up to protect me. And these here that equal. These two. Fuck me to mind you. You got big against me. Don't touch me. I suffer the fuck
He
my
said,
own
no,
shit.
not mine.
The Constitution guarantees that declared free safety guns. And first in America, they got websites. They gonna go all over Afghanistan, Pakistan, look at Bin Laden, put down Hussein. You got terrorists right in the country. Fuck America. And I love it too. I'll tell you the truth though. We're gonna be nowhere else.
at this station. This is the red line. Final destination, Westmoreland Station. Next stop,
Yeah.
West End Station.
Ron Day? Oh, this is good. What is it, basketball or football you watch? That's what relaxation at home. I'm not gonna be on to what you. I play chess for relaxation. That's what I do. I play chess and I'm good.
I'm hungry for you. You got one?
Good.
You got one?
Yeah.
How much? 100 billion,
Got
quadrillion,
$5.
baby girl.
Oh, it's not great or be first.
I didn't understand.
Oh, okay. I talk along, I talk fast. My girlfriend, I talk about 22
All
hours.
passengers,
I wouldn't shut up. Every time I
is
shut up,
required to ride
I have a lot to say. I've been around a long time. I got a lot of knowledge to pass on.
That video that I got with the
Please report any suspicious
I made
or unattended
give me that.
to the train operators, Guard Police, or other dark personnel.
You know what?
Now
This
arriving
is all this training.
West End Station.
Haters. You know, I ain't giving that nobody.
Outside.
You don't want the.
No, it's not the rat. It's not that. Okay? It's raining. It feels nasty.
I can shut the fuck up.
It's a lip.
No. You
Look at
okay?
your jacket.
Check mine. Oh, no,
You're
just
just asking to get sick.
469, please. Yes, ma'am. Somebody. Yes, hello.
West End Station.
Hello?